Hello, this is your classmate Alexandra, and this is my paper. A friendly suggestion, rather, that maybe, well, more than maybe, there is a simple and easy way to be happy, to be healthy. And no, I'm not about to drop some life wisdom Dr. Phil style. Definitely not that. I'm talking about making one change to your space that will give you better health physically, mentally, and emotionally. Out of all the things in your home, what about it makes you feel happy? It can be a room, it can be how it looks at a certain time of day, or night for that matter. Home just feels like home. There's no better way to describe that. My curiosity for this research paper came from wondering if this feeling can be controlled or heightened in the least bit. Can one's personal environment be a healthier place more than just a few sprays of 409? Well, yeah. To have a healthy living space means more than keeping tidy. It's about the air you breathe. It's about what you see when you first walk through the door. It's about being the best you can be, your home being the place to facilitate that. Sounds nice, right? Living in a healthier home? What do all these events have in common? Wedding ceremonies, funerals, and hospital visits. Any takers? The answer is flowers. Flowers, greenery, and the like. Seemingly enough, they make appearances at the most important events in our life. Working in the subconscious areas of the brain, there is a reason that flowers and foliage are around at these special times. My thesis is this. Extensive research and personal studies foster the idea that the mere presence of plants and flowers have the capacity to not only improve physical health conditions, but also in psychological and emotional benefits. Enough to encourage one to become a consistent plant owner for all the right reasons. I wanted to explore that through my research paper. So, here are the 3 primary ways we benefit from owning plants and flowers. Visual, external, and internal benefits. Visual is pretty self-explanatory. It's what we see and how we see it. I primarily focus on color. Each color has a unique emotive quality thanks to UV wavelengths. The higher the frequency of the color, the more mentally and spiritually stimulating of a reaction there is to the color. The lower the frequency, the more physical of a response the body has to the color. A good example of this would be why stop signs are red. Stopping, most normally, is a physical demand, and red is the most physical color on the scale. Colors induce specific emotions, even more so in a piece of life such as plants and flowers. Let's talk about external benefits of keeping plants and flowers. External environments are personal spaces in which you can control the atmosphere. Remember learning photosynthesis in grade school? Well, this is my plant Vlad. Vlad is a Zamiocalilus plant. ZZ is his street name. Vlad is good at photosynthesizing. Because of how Vlad photosynthesizes, he is the best performing plant I could possibly own for not only cleaning the air in my home, but purifying it. I get a lot of sun on my side of the house, and luckily, a little water and a lot of sun is prime living for Vlad. Now this is Van Dyke, my sister's plant. Van Dyke is a very different type of unpronounceable plant, and is the exact opposite of Vlad. A lot of water and a little sun. Both plants are genetically structured to making breathing easier for you and me, even though we have different personal environments. Lastly, the internal benefits. Look at it like this. As agave nectar is to a blue agave plant, an extract called flower essence is to infinite species of flowers. Things like eucalyptus, lavender, California rose essences, and tiger lilies are the most common types of flowers that contain this flower essence. Flower essence has internal benefits you really could not believe, bringing out someone from depression, suppressing headaches, and helping with open wounds are just a few recorded cases of the benefits of flower essence. And I could go on. All of these aspects of owning plants and flowers are mere fundamentals that my sisters and I were raised upon. starting with my grandmother, to my mom, then to my sister, then to my twin and I. From growing up with this knowledge to validating it with reliable research, I could really encourage you to try this out. Vlad, by the way, was only $5. You never know what little difference a plant or flower might do for you. Thank you.